Abhishek Najam. So, first question was idea which you a belief or idea in which you challenge. So, it was during my school time. I protested the grouping in school or college. Grouping in school or college. It is generally happen in every school or college. So at that time during my fifth or sixth class, I generally I lived in hostel. So uh, during the hostel days, one of my friends during the days, one of my friend was neglected. He was out of the uh, out of the out. He, no one was a friend of him. No one was friend of him. So and sometimes other friends was other friend bullied for him. Other friends bullied him. So uh, actually he just lived his bed was just near of me, so I was a friend of him. So uh, I was a friend of him. So I tried to convince my other friends. I was uh, uh, my other friends to make him as a friend, as he was a kind of introvert, kind of introvert. He could not uh, he could not talk to others. So I helped him on I helped him to make friends. And I think if this kind of thing happen in my now in this college or any other time, uh, in professional just in any profession, I will help it further. So the second question is any problem is I uh, any problem I want to solve. So any problem I want to solve the Indian education system. Mainly Indian education system is result oriented system. Our result oriented system and theory oriented system. Result oriented system means everyone in the uh, everyone in the system was talking about everyone in the system uh, talks about result. If you are if you do good in exam, then you are a bright student, or you know better than other. You are a smarter person than others. But I don't think this should be like it. It was not change. It was not changed since the British regime. British regime. I want to it be, uh, I, I want it to be a knowledge based system. Knowledge based system where students should not be afraid of the afraid of the examination system, afraid of the examination system, afraid of exam. They should come in this come school for learning only. And exam is a criteria to promote a student, but I think we can degrade the importance of this exam system. And we should be the and what we should do is make it a more practical knowledge based education system where people can learn from more practical examples. And the third question is a problem I have faced, and I need a quick solution. It was during my college days. I was a uh, host of our celebrity talk or no talks, where Dr. Praveen Vaidyagal was the chief guest of this that program. So uh, uh, I was choose to I was choose to properly uh, 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 I was choose to properly manage his program. I have to pick him. So I have to pick him up from Benares airport, as I was from NIT Allahabad, but Allahabad did not have any airport nearby. So we have to pick him up from Banaras airport. So during so at that time when I went to pick him up, up I was waited for him uh, as his flight was late. So uh, uh, my car, I mean, which was provided by the college authority, was seized by income tax agents. So at that time, the Benas in I mean Benas airport is far away from the main city. So I did not have an option to hire a car at that time. And the airport cars are too costly. So I have to go for negotiate for other cars, and I have solved this problem.